Today I just got a package from Clarins that I'm gonna unbox and go through all the products I bought with you. We just got this package in the mail from Clarins. This order came with a free travel set. When you spend like $100, they give you a free travel bag, which is perfect because I'm going to Greece. I think there was two choices. I picked the hydration because my skin tends to be on the drier side. So cute. It came with this little Clarins travel bag, which I'll definitely use on my Greece trip. This came with these 4 products. The blue is Hydrating. This is just a comfort oil, so it's like a lip oil. This is Sweetbriar Rose Oil in 03 Cherry. I love these oils. I have the berry one, and now I just have this cute little travel size cherry one. Let's try it out. The little brush is smaller than the regular size one. I would probably still get the regular size one. The Hydra Essential Cream moisturizes and quenches silky cream, so it's for normal to dry skin. It hydrates, comforts, and plumps. It doesn't say if it's used for day or night, so I'm sure you can use it both or either. And it does feel very silky, very nourishing. I think that'll be a really good hydrating cream for either under makeup or at night. And it smells amazing. This is also Hydra Essential, the Fresh Scrub Exfoliant Cream, refreshing cream scrub with natural beads. For after you wash your face, if you need to take off some layers of dead skin. It's just like a basic scrub. It feels like it dissolves a little bit. And this is the Sos Hydra. It's a refreshing hydration mask with leaf of life extract. It has just a nice, light, refreshing fragrance. It's definitely thicker than the moisturizer is, which makes sense because it's a mask. So it's just gonna give you a little extra hydration. Next, I have this travel size hydrating gentle foaming cleanser with alpine herb and aloe vera extract for normal to dry skin. It's anti-pollution. I think anti-pollution is a really great idea. And if it works, then that's awesome because there's so much pollution around us. It's toxic. It's going to affect you inside and out, including your skins. If they have a way to help with that, then I think that's something that's worth trying out. So this is a very thick cream cleanser. It took a lot of pressure to get it out. It feels so luscious. This is the White Plus Brightening Revive Night Mask Gel. All these products smell like very fresh. It feels very moisturizing. I had a hard time picking out which toner I wanted, so when they offered samples, I was like, let's try the Soothing Toning Lotion, because I went with a different one, but figured why not try this out. This is just a toner to take off your cleanser, but this will be perfect for traveling with, so I'm gonna just pop that into my travel bag. Another sample I got is the Self Tan by Clarins. I've heard really great things about the tanning products that Clarins has. So this is super small. I don't know how this is gonna fit on my body or if it will. Maybe I'll just put this in my moisturizer on my face and just tan my face, because there's no way this little package can tan my whole body. I mean, if it does, I would be very, very impressed. Then I got this Sweet Neroli bath gel. It's a very light fragrance. Honestly, not that great first impression. I don't think I would recommend this, but I'll try it in the shower and see if that changes my mind. And then the main reason I was shopping on Clarins was to get face wash. I haven't found a good face wash for dry skin. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know. I will try anything and everything. So still looking. So I was gonna try this Total Cleansing Oil. This is anti-pollution. I'll let you know how that goes and if I like it. Got the toner to go with it because I figure why not just use the whole system. What I also liked about this one is that it's microbiome complex. Still trying to preserve like sort of your microbiome on your skin because you don't want to just strip everything off. You definitely want to preserve whatever good things you have going. That's what this is aiming to do. Subscribe if you like hair, beauty, fashion. I post every week and I will see you next time.